43, we're supposed to find out what f of 0 is. If I put 0 there and 0 there, that wipes all that out and leaves minus 4. Supposed to find f of 1. If I put 1 in there, I get 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 4 is 1. If I put in minus 1, I get minus 1 squared, which is 1 times 3. 3 minus 2 minus 4 is minus 3. If I put in negative x squared becomes positive x, so I get 3x squared. If I put a negative x in here and take it times 2, I get negative 2x minus 4. And that's f of negative x. What do I get when I put in a negative in front of the f of x? That means in front of all this, I get negative 3x squared, I get a negative 2x, and I get a plus 4. It says take the opposite of whatever I had. What do I get if I put in x plus 1? So I have 3 parenthesis x plus 1 plus 2. X is now replaced with x plus 1 minus 4. The x in the x squared was replaced with x plus 1. We can multiply this out. We get 3x plus 1 times x plus 1 is x squared plus 2x plus 1. And then if I distribute the 3, I get 3x squared plus 6x plus 3. If I distribute the 2, I get plus 2x plus 2. And so I get 3x squared plus 8x plus 5 minus 4 is my plus 1. If I put 2x in here, 2x times 2x is 4x squared times 3 is 12x squared. 2 times 2x is plus 4x minus 4. And if I put x plus h in for all the x, I get, I'm going to have to go move down here, so that'll be 3 times x plus h in place of the x's, plus 2 times in place of the x. I'm going to put x plus h because that's what we're replacing. X is changed to x plus h, and so that becomes x plus h, and that becomes x plus h. Minus 4. And you could FOIL out this, but none of the terms are alike, and so you can leave the answer just looking like that. 46, we're supposed to do all the same kinds of things. So f of 0, if you put 0 there and 0 there, you get minus 1/4. F of 1, if you put 1 there, you get 1 squared, which is 1 minus 1 is 0, over 1 plus 4 is 5, so we get 0 over 5, which is 0. F of negative 1, negative 1 squared is 1, minus 1 is 0, over minus 1 plus 4 is 3, which is 0. If we put in negative x, a negative x times a negative x is the same as x squared, minus 1 over, if we put a negative x there, it's the opposite of what it was. And so this would be f of negative x. Then we're supposed to do negative of f of x. So that would mean just put a negative in front of all this. So negative f of x would be just negative of x squared minus 1 over x plus 4. And you could distribute the negative here and make it negative x squared plus 1. Or you can distribute the negative here and make it x squared minus 1 over minus x minus 4. Or you can just leave it like it is. And then we're supposed to do f of x plus 1. So f of x plus 1 means we're replacing our x's with x plus 1's. So we have x plus 1 replacing that x squared minus 1 over replacing that x with x plus 1. This FOILed is x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 1 over x plus 5. So that's x squared plus 2x over x plus 5. If we put in 2x, f of 2x becomes 2x quantity squared, 2x in place of the x, minus 1 over, in place of the x, we're putting 2x plus 4. So this becomes 2 squared is 4, x squared is x squared, minus 1 over 2x plus 4. And then finally we're supposed to do f of x plus h. And so we're going to replace the x squared with x plus h squared minus 1 over x, which is being replaced with x plus h plus 4. And this multiplied out will not create any like terms with this nor with this, and so that's our final answer. And you can't cancel these because these are added or subtracted to something. Okay, that's 46.